Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a zombie dog, so let's get started. To draw this cute zombie, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to start. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. And then from there I'm going to come right in the center, and I'm just going to go ahead and darken up a little dot right in the middle. And then from there, let's see here, let's come back to the center between the eyes, about right here, and we're going to draw the nose. So I'll start with a curve right in the center, and then I'm going to round it off for the sides, and then bring it down towards the center at a V and connect everything. And then I'll come back top right here and draw an oval for a highlight, and then shade everything else in. There. Then from there I'm going to go straight down with a line right about here, and then I'm going to go up. I'm going to curve nice and full all the way back to the nose. So same thing here. There. And then we're going to come back down here and draw a curve to finish it off. Just darken this part a little bit. And then let's see here. Now, let's see, let's go back up to the eye. About right here, just put in some details. Right here and here. And I'm going to draw a curve over the eye. Same thing here. Towards the side. And at the bottom right here, this is a zombie dog, right? So we want to make him look very tired. Let's draw some lines there. And then let's go ahead and frame his face before we put in more detail. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye. I'm going to come out really close. So say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Same thing here. From there, I'm going to go at an angle line. And keep continuing. And we're going to come, say about right there. And then we're going to bring it in. We're going to curve it in. So same thing here. So I kind of want to give it these very pronounced cheekbones. And then bring it in. So then we're going to bring it in, and we're going to tuck everything about right here. So let's go ahead and curve in. And curve out. And then just tuck everything under. So same thing here. There. Make him look very bony. I still wanted my zombie dog to be cute, so hopefully it will be cute once I'm done with this. And then from there, let's go up. And we're just going to draw the top of the head. So I'm just going to go up, say about this high. And I'm going to start to round it off, and towards the center, I'll just give it a little dip. And then up again, and then bring it back down. There. So that is the basic head shape for our dog. And then the ears. So now we know that it's a dog. So I'm going to come about right here. And we're going to give them floppy ears. So I'm going to come down, just kind of wobble a little bit. About right there. And then here. So we want these chewed up ears. So about right here, I'm just going to kind of curve and zigzag. Just make it look kind of raggedy to a point. There. And same thing on the other side. So I really hope this is just meant to inspire you. You can make your zombie dog as zombie-ish as you like. Or you can still keep it kind of simple. Once again, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Maybe a little bit less on this side for the other ear. And then let's see here. Then let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm giving my zombie dog here I want to make him very thin. So here and here, I'm going to give him a neck. And before I finish, I'm going to come around about right here and continue this. Now that I have that curve out, to draw the collar. So I'm making this collar kind of loose because he's lost a lot of weight because he's a zombie. So I'm just drawing a ring around the neck basically. And then we can continue that curve. So let's bring this out for the chest area. And let's go ahead and bring it in for the legs. About right here, and then bring it in. So going, so say about right here and here towards the center, and I'm going to come in, and then let's go ahead and just draw some paws. So I'm just going to curve and connect, nice and simple. So same thing here, pop it out a little bit and connect. And I'll just kind of darken in these two little nails. And whatever space you have left, but right here, just draw a line. And then for the back, I'm just going to come down and pop it out and in. And once again, just draw two little lines. Same thing here. Pop it out and in. There. So hopefully that is nice and simple. And then we're going to draw a tail that's also raggedy. So we're going to come out, and then about right here, I'm just going to kind of zigzag it and then bring it in. And then let's see. That is pretty much it for our zombie dog. But now to just make it really zombie-ish, so it's all up to you how far you want to take this. But here's some ideas. I thought, since we have so much space up here, we could, let's see here, I'm just gonna kind of wobble a little bit, and then maybe, I don't know, some brain perhaps. Like I said, it's all up to you. I'm just gonna kind of draw in some details. Hopefully that looks like brain. Once you color it, you can even put like a big gash up here, and some lines in here, some flap of the skin perhaps, I don't know. And let's see here, maybe like a curve right here to make it extra gaunt. And let's see, so tear here and there. Okay, so now the main part of what I thought was really cute, if you want to do this, so you could just leave the dog like this, but if you want, you can add a bone in the mouth. So if you want to do that, let's come right about here, and I'm just going to stick in this bone. So I'm just going to pass it past the face, and then about right here, I just draw the ends of our bone, and then I'm going to continue it, coming out, and you can get as detailed as you want with this bone. You can even make it look like fingers or something. You can even have some, I don't know, some drool or something dripping from it. But I'm going to come back in here and erase this part so you can see what's going on. And here. So I really hope this inspires you, like I said, and it brings a smile to your day, even though it is a zombie. And so we're going to come right here. I'll just add a heart. And to add some more details, maybe here, since we have some space. Maybe here. Let's see, what else could we do? You could really go all out. You can even make it look like skin is kind of tearing right here, and a bone perhaps. Let me see, I don't know. But maybe another one here, but I'll just leave it like that. I think it's just, keep it simple, right? And hopefully we just want it to be pretty cute still. So I'm going to come back on the eye and just darken the eye so we can anchor the eye a little bit more. It's a huge difference, right? Just want to make maybe the bottom parts a little bit darker, if anything. There, and that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute zombie dog to celebrate Halloween. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.